English Story channel. Subscribe, like, share.
Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived a clever crow and a kind-hearted deer. One hot summer day, the deer felt extremely thirsty but could not find any water. He wandered through the forest, tired and weak. Just then, the crow perched on a tree, saw the struggling deer below and flew down to help. "What's the matter, dear friend?" asked the crow. "I am so thirsty, but I can't find any water," the deer replied sadly. The clever crow thought for a moment and then had an idea. "Follow me," she said. The crow flew up high to the sky and spotted a small pond hidden among some bushes. She led the deer to the pond, and he drank the cool water gratefully. "Thank you, friend," the deer said, feeling much better. "I don't know what I would have done without your help." From that day on, the crow and the deer became best friends, always looking out for each other. The crow helped the deer find food and water, while the deer protected the crow from dangerous animals. The morale of the story is true friendship is about helping each other in times of need. I hope you liked the story. Let me know if you need more stories or a specific kind of tale.